Okay.
both sides.
So,
That's it. And there is no left right. There is nothing on the left side. It's only horizontal, whatever the TR scope is there.
So I understand what Joydev is saying. For now, I would say that let us make it P. But when you are going to do the actual construction, probably this point you can escalate with your construction manager and your operation team, and then this can be discussed at the site, and the decision can be taken. So because
I agree,
right now,
but Chairman, do not put any calculations because nobody can do any calculations on this.
okay.
It can be assessed.
So what
You can say assessment. That's fine.
I say, okay, assessment, okay, I can, okay,
Yeah.
no problem. I agree. I will make a note here. Assessment. Assessment. Okay. Make parking point. Okay, Jadip, I understand. I will put it.
Thank you.
So we
You're
are
welcome.
talking about 30 meters radius exclusion zone around the